Hi there, this is Katie Vargas, College and Career Specialist for Francis Howell School District. And if you are an 8th grade student through 11th grade student here in the district and are needing a quick refresher on what the ICAP or Individualized Career and Academic Plan is, or how to access the ICAP, you have come to the right place. This is also a great tutorial for any parents wanting to provide support at home for their students completing this process. So the ICAP is a document that we do update annually here in the district. And so if you were an 8th grader here in the district last school year or the year before, as well as a current 8th grader, you all have or likely have gone through the process that I'm about to show you. If you are new to the district or older than a current 10th grader, so if you're an 11th grader watching this, you may not have gone through this process as it is relatively new. And therefore, I will show you how to access the ICAP here in a couple of minutes. But for my students, again, who were in 8th grade or are currently in 8th grade here in the district this year or the last 2 school years, you likely, through your 8th grade counselor, created a college and career folder in your Google Drive. So the first thing to do to locate your ICAP is to find that folder in your Google Drive. So you can see here I'm on Google. I am logged into my school FHSD account. I'm going over to the waffle. I'm clicking on Drive. And I'm going to go to my Drive and click on this little triangle here to expand it. And I'm going to go down to all my files under my Drive. They're all listed alphabetically. And I see here college and career folder. So I created this. Again, if you're an 8th grader this year, you will create this in December or January when your 8th grade counselor comes in to do this lesson. Or if you're a current 9th or 10th grader, you did this your 8th grade year here in the district. And what we had you do is once you created the folder, we had you save your ICAP into this folder. So it's a Google Sheet document, and we had you make a copy of the FHSD ICAP. We had you name the ICAP, your first and last name, comma ICAP, or something very similar. And we gave you a tour of what this document was and how to go about updating it and using it effectively for your planning for after high school, as well as for your planning during high school. Okay, if you do not have this college and career folder in your Google Drive, nor do you have your ICAP, an ICAP in your Google Drive labeled your name, comma ICAP, or something similar, the first thing you are going to want to do is create that folder. So you're going to click on New, you're going to click on New Folder, and you're going to title that folder College and Career. Again, it doesn't have to be exactly how I typed it, but something similar. Click on Create, and there it should be under your drive. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a new browser tab, and you are going to type in the following bit.ly link to get to that FHSD ICAP document. You're going to type bit.ly / capital ICAP for our ICAP and lowercase FHSD for Francis Howell School District. You're going to click Enter, and it will bring you to your FHSD ICAP. This will be a view-only document, which means you are not going to be able to type in it. So you are going to go up to File, Make a Copy. You are going to title the copy of this document your first name, last name, comma ICAP, or again, something similar. You're going to go down to the folder box. You're going to click on that rectangle, and the back arrow if needed until you get to My Drive. And you're going to go down to College and Career folder, that folder you just created. You're going to click on it and you're going to click Select. Excuse me. And then you're going to make a copy. You should now see at the top of your ICAP your name, comma ICAP, and now you know this is your copy. It is now saved into your Google Drive in a folder that is easy to find. And now you can type in this and update it as much as you want, at minimum 1 time a year, through your advisement lesson every year around January when it's time to select courses for the next school year.